Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a trip on the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the trips button down below, which is the second option. Click on the create a trip button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should type in the name of your trip. And then click on the description button to type in the description of your trip. After that, click on the save button. So here can you find it at this trips section. Here you have it. If you want to invite someone, tap on the invite to your trip button and you can save your bookings here. You can add items to this section. So tap on the find your booking button to start finding your hotel, then purchase your flight ticket and start creating your trip. So you can add all of the necessary information and entries here at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.